Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to quickly set up the wireless network on our Brother SE2000. This will also work with the other Brother sewing and embroidery machines that can work wirelessly. So being able to do this will allow you to pair it with the Brother Artspira app, which is great because you'll be able to transfer your files directly from your phone or from the design software over into your Brother just completely wirelessly. You won't need to use any type of thumb drive or anything. So first, make sure that your machine is plugged in and powered on. Once the screen powers on, you can click anywhere on it and you'll be able to get to the settings screen, the main settings screen. Okay, so this is the initial setup. So first we're going to go through this by selecting our language, which obviously in this case is English, but if yours is different, you can select a different language there. Once you make your selection, just click OK. And then it's going to ask you if you want to set up your wireless network. So you can say yes. You obviously want to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi network wherever it is that you are working. So if you don't want to set this up right now, click not now. But in this case, obviously, we're going to click OK. Now, it's going to be searching for my network. So once it finds your network, it will pop up, just like similarly if you were looking for a wireless network on your phone, it's going to show you a list of options and you will select the network that you are on. So in this case, I'm going to click Silhouette School. It, again, just like your phone, for Bluetooth or wireless, it's going to ask you, or Wi-Fi is going to ask you for your password. So go ahead and put that in. When you're done, click OK and apply settings, and it is going to take a minute or so and it will connect to your network. Now, this is essential because if you want to connect this with your phone, as I said, so if you haven't already installed the app on your phone, you can do that as well. I have a separate video on that. But this is really where the power of the Brother SE2000 comes in, because the being able to transfer your files back and forth wirelessly this way is really great. So you're going to click OK. It's going to confirm that you are on your network. And then when you click OK again, it's going to give you or if you click that little icon there, it's going to give you the QR code, which you can scan with your phone if you haven't already installed the app. And then once you scan it, then it is going to begin the process so that you can go ahead and sync the two together. And I have a separate video on that.